Hello students, welcome back to Narayana Digital Classes. Today we will be solving the assignment number 28 on the topic nature of matter. Let's move on to the assignment. Here the first question, cooling always is caused during evaporation of liquid at, right? So we know that evaporation is a surface phenomena. That means in evaporation, the surface of liquid is converted into gaseous state. The surface of liquid is converted into gaseous state. While evaporation, we can observe the cooling phenomena. So whenever this cooling happens, that the liquid should be at present below its boiling point. Below its boiling point. So whenever the liquid present at below its boiling point, then evaporation will happen. We can observe the cooling. So the correct option is third option, below its boiling point. Let's move on to the next question. Here the question is, low boiling liquids evaporate faster than. Low boiling liquid evaporates faster than. So what is the boiling phenomena? Boiling is nothing but a liquid is converted into gas. A liquid is converted into gas, right? So evaporation also same thing, but evaporation is a surface phenomena. For example, there is a liquid. So this is water. This is water. Just consider this is water, right? So while boiling is a bulk phenomena, so all the liquid is converted into gases. But in case of evaporation, only surface molecule, the molecule which are present at surface area, they will convert into gaseous state, right? So the low boiling point liquids evaporates more fastly. So low boiling liquid evaporate faster than high boiling liquids. High boiling liquids. If the boiling point is very high, that evaporation is very low. Evaporation is very low. So we know that boiling is inversely proportional to evaporation. So low boiling liquids evaporate faster than high boiling liquids. So the correct option is second option. Let's move on to the next question. Here the question, the temperature above which gas cannot be liquefied by applying excess of pressure, right? So the temperature above which a gas, right? So a gas temperature is high, that above temperature the liquid can apply a pressure, that pressure is called as critical pressure. The temperature above which a gas cannot be liquefied by applying excess of pressure is called as critical pressure. So the correct option is third option. Let's move on to the next question. Here the question, evaporation is generally dash under humid weather condition. Right? What happens if the weather is humid condition? So what is humidity? Humidity means the water molecules which are present in atmosphere, that is called as humidity. So if there is a liquid, a container of liquid is there, if you observe the evaporation, whenever the weather is humid condition, the evaporation will be decreased. The evaporation will be decreased. So evaporation is generally slow under humid weather condition. So the correct option is second option. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the question, does have opposing effects on the physical state of substance. Does have opposing effects on the physical state of substance. So they have given different conditions. One is concentration and volume, temperature and pressure, and density, right? So if you see for example, if you take gas, if you increase the temperature, what happens? The molecule, the distance between the particles also increase. they will exert the high pressure. So that dash have the opposing effects on the physical state of substance is the temperature and pressure. So the correct option is third option. Clear? Let's move. So with this, I come to the end of the session. Thank you very much.